never had a girl like you.
When we locked eyes, when you passed, couldn't look away.
Welcome back to another video. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you are subscribed, welcome back. And if you're not, you know what to do. Today we are going to be doing the first cash stuffing of December. So let's go ahead, budget this money. We'll count it and then we'll start stuffing it. All right, so the first paycheck of December, I just have my one income. And again, I'm just going to get rid of these. We are going to be budgeting $3,070. All right, so starting off with my expenses, I have Easy Pass, and that goes to my mom, so that was $10. For rent, I do $9.30 per pay period, so I did that. My auto loan was $470. My AT&T bill, I put aside $137 because I do automatic payments for this on my credit card. So I pay the credit card off when they go ahead and take that money out, but they haven't taken it out yet. So I put that money to the side. For Apple, I paid $25. Planet Fitness is $20. And as usual, I did some more credit card spending because it is the holiday season. So even though I'm spending on it, I'm making sure that I'm paying that money back off. So that's why I'm going to be stuffing a lot less than I usually do, again, because we have to pay that money off. Just because I spend it doesn't mean I don't have to pay it. So credit card number 1 got $199. And credit card number 2 got $284. So let me calculate that and see what I have left. Okay, so that puts me at $995 left. For sinking funds, I did $309. My savings got the $25 automatic deposit as usual. Nothing for investing. My extra debt payments is $151, but that's incorporated in this amount. Nothing for savings challenges and my daily cash envelopes. That got $570. So let me add this up. And I almost forgot, my buffer got $91. And then that leaves me with $0, which is appropriate because I budget down to the $0. So let's go ahead and count this money and then start cash stuffing. Okay, so today we have 100, 150. Oh, I'm putting that to the side. 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 85, 20, 40, 60, 80. So 580, 9,600, 650, 60, 70, 80, 90, 700, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 760, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 800, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 835, 36, 37, 38, 39. So I have $839 in cash. And then I have 20, 40, 60, 80, 95, $96 for fake money that were automatic or not automatic, but manual transfers to my high yield savings account. So as usual, we're going to start with our daily cash envelopes. In that, we're going to do groceries first. So that'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 20s. 2 10s, and 4 5s. 1 2 3 4. That'll give me 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 30, 45, 55, 60, 160. And I'm just gonna split this up for $80 for each week. So 20, 40, 60, 75, 80. And I do have to go pick up my groceries after this video, so I'll see how much that came out to, and then I'll, you know, put that money aside to put in my bank account or back towards my credit card. Miscellaneous gets its usual $30. So we're gonna do 2 10s and 2 5s, and that's 10, 25, 30. And I'm gonna split this up for $15 for each pay period. And by the way, all of my envelopes and accessories on my shop are still on sale for 20% off for the holidays. So definitely go check that out as we're moving into the new year and you want to get started for your sinking funds and cash envelopes. So don't forget to check that out. Gas is going to get 4 20s, 1 2 3 4, and 2 10s. And that'll be 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100. And I'm going to do $50 for each week. I might need to go get some gas today because I have like a long trip to make. So that'll probably be a good idea. Eat out and dining is going to get 8 20s, 1 2 3 4, 5 6 7 8, 3 10s, and 2 5s. So I have 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 95, 200. And I'm going to split this in half to give myself $100 for each week. Let me just double check. 20, 40, 60, 80, 95, 100. So perfect. Okay. And then the last thing I have is self-care. That's going to get $80. So I'm going to do 3 20s, a 10, and 2 5s. And that's going to be 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 80. And I'm not going to get my nails done just yet. I got them done last week, so I'll probably get them done next week. And that's it for this binder, or these binders. All right, next we're going to start with sinking funds. The first one is going to be car, and that's going to get $10. So I have 1, 2, 3, 350, 360, 370, 375, 76, 77, 78. So $378 for car maintenance. Rich Auntie is going to get $20. That has been emptied out so far because I've been buying Christmas gifts for the kids. And this will probably be emptied again. Licenses is going to get $10. And that now has 150, 70, 80, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94. So 194. Vacation is not getting anything. Household is not getting anything. Gifts is going to get $20. So that now has 30. Debt is finally going to get something because I didn't spend all my money on credit card spending. So debt is going to get $151. And I should have just put this in the bank, but I forgot and took the money out before I could remember. So that'll go in the bank at the end of the month. So we have 1, 2, 3,000, 5, 6, 7. So 3,700, 50, 138, 21. So $3,821 is what we have for debt. And this is going to go towards my loan payment, or to pay off my loan actually by the end of the month. Car insurance isn't getting anything. As you can see, car insurance is empty because I went and paid the car insurance premium for 6 months. So we're going to build that back up for the next 6 months, which will be probably in June. School is kept at $3,000. Candle day is over and we emptied that money out, so we're not putting anything, and shopping isn't getting anything either. So we're done with this binder. The next is the second sinking funds binder, and I'm going to start with Uma, my dog. She is getting $20. She does have to go to the groomer soon. I think I made the appointment for next week, so that's going to be about $80 or so. So I need to make sure I have enough money for her, which I'm sure I do. But right now she has 100, 150, 221. So she has $221 in her envelope. Next is weddings, and I'm going to do $8. That's all the money I had left over to put towards weddings right now. So I have 20, 45, 46, 47, and 48 for weddings. Almost $50, so not too bad. Taxes got a deposit towards my high yield savings account, and that was $40. So I'm just gonna grab 2 of the fake 20s. And now taxes has 1,000, 100, 150, 170, 190, 200. So $1,200 is what taxes has right now. Renter's insurance is going to get its usual $5. And now it has 100, 5, 10, 11, 12, so $112. I think I need about 140-ish. My Melissa envelope is not getting anything, and neither is bills. Sorry. P.O. box is going to get its usual $5 as well, and that'll just be a total of $105. Savings got its usual $25, and then I also got an interest payment of $31 for the beginning of the month. So we are putting a total of 20, 40, 55, 56. So we're going to put a total of $56 towards savings, and all that money is in my high yield savings account. So I'm going to be using fake bills for that as well. And now I have 1,000, 100, 200, 300, 20, 40, 50, 65, 66, 67. So $1,367 for my savings account. And this is just for general savings. My emergency fund is kept at 1,000, and then C3 is not getting anything. So that's it for this binder. Okay, lastly, I have the third sinking funds binder, and we're gonna start with card registration not getting anything, and neither is Amazon Prime. That's emptied out because I did make my annual subscription payment already. Family Fund isn't getting anything, neither is retirement, neither is Ding It, but Tech will get $5. And now Tech has 50, 70, 85, $90, almost at 100. It's pretty good. 900 more to go because I'm saving up for a phone should my current one die or decide to self-destruct. So I just want to be prepared. Parents are going to get $10. And they now have 100, 150, 200, 250, and 260. I still have to give my mom her birthday gift. Her birthday was last week. So, but I haven't been able to see her. So when I go home, I will give her a gift, which will probably be money. Medical is going to get $5, and that'll be the last $5. So we have $15 in medical. And that is it for this binder as well. And that's it for this video. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. Again, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and press that button. But until next time, guys, bye.
So that I get to see you, pretty lady, again. There's something about you, but can't put it to name. So promise, girl, give me